Hey everybody, Jerome, B.F.A.M cooking. You know what this is, another cooking recipe. That's right, today we're gonna make something, I think, down to basics dessert. I'm just looking for something that's smooth, something that's cold, a little bit of creamy. You know what I'm thinking? Let's make custard. This thing can be served with ice cream or it could be made really, really thick. You can pump it into like a pastry bag and then put it into like a donut or something like that. For me, I wanted more of the vanilla pudding sort of version of it because I want to have it with a little bit of fruit. That'll be nice. Let's get into it. So what do we need? Cornstarch for this particular recipe. This happens to be 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going with 5 egg yolks, our homemade vanilla, as you know. Today we're making a cup of sugar, but I'm using half brown and half white. And something that I keep in our refrigerator all the time, which is a quart, if not 2, based on Costco, of whipping cream. Some people would use regular milk, maybe split it, but today I'm going all whipping cream, and we'll make this thing really quick. It's just basically a lot of stirring, just in a particular order. You don't want to overdo, you don't want to cook the eggs into scramble when you're mixing the milk and the eggs. And then of course, you're gonna have a flavor. And this particular one happens to be, like I said, vanilla. I'm gonna have mine with bananas, maybe some strawberries, sliced strawberries later on. And I hope you guys enjoy it. In fact, I know you will. Check it out. Okay, so as you can see, it went really fast. Not really a problem. I'm gonna dish it out and portion it out so that we can make sure all the different portions have about the same. It gives you more of like a butterscotchy flavor with the brown sugar and vanilla. And it's really dark due to the fact of both using my particular homemade vanilla and the brown sugar. It's going to be nice and set. You just have to obviously put it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. It'll be really nice and set. And then we can top it with whatever fruits we like. I generally tend towards berries and things like that. So in my case, I'm going to have strawberries at least. I'm going to try it with bananas also. I think that's going to make it to some new level of deliciousness. When you see how thick it is, it's like coating the back of the back of this spoon, or actually ladle. I'm trying to be fair about the amount. I could weigh them if you want to get particular, but get really particular. But it's a real fast dessert. Takes less than a half an hour to do. And I think your family will really enjoy it. And because we keep, we as in me in particular, keep heavy cream in our house, we always have it available should we need to spool up an event or a party or something like that. And we need dessert. But I really need it for making like a nice thick sauce of some type. That's usually why it's in the refrigerator. But custard is nice and thick. This is a little quart container. You need to either wrap it, or in my case, I'm going to top it with cap so it doesn't form skin. For those of you who don't like the skin. Of course, I get most of my family containers from Costco and places like that, just so we have it. To-go bags. My mother-in-law comes over and we need something she can't finish and she wants to have it for lunch during the week, or something like that for myself. Just enough to get to coat your palate, not too crazy. It's not too much for dessert. As my wife says, I'm learning how to make the portions smaller for everyone so that they're more in reason with what people think a dessert is. That one's a little light. That'll work. So 1 quart gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different containers, and a lot in the bowl for me to lick up. This is B.F.A.M cooking, and this, I'll just call it a butterscotch vanilla pudding. It's like a creme glaze, but hey, it's going to be delicious, I tell you. I know from me testing it, this is good. See you later. Check me out next time. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Jerome, B.F.A.M cooking.